Hi guys! So I have my purple journal. It's here, it's finished. Isn't it so lovely? Yay! Um, so I showed how to make the fabric cover, but it is just a basic fabric soft cover. It's a two signature, and I made this one as a gift for Tommy's daughter, right? And she's the one who makes my soap and stuff. I order my soap from her. Um, so we're going to open it up, and here it is. Ta-da! Very, very pretty. Here's our first page. So this is like a mixed media page that I made, and then I cut it up and made it into a pocket. It's kind of, it looks like that because I have this big envelope that has this big button on it. Anyway, it's a flippy thing, right? So you open it up, and it flips like this, and then like this. Uh-oh. This goes in the pocket. See? And then I made this pretty journaling tag to go inside. There's the back of it. Better? Should be better. Anyway, so yes, there's that. That goes in this pocket right here. And this is all, well, not the journal card, but the, all of this. This is all illuminated flora from Medieval Mirage. That's one of her kits. So, and I use it a lot, so. And I have that goes in this pocket like this. Ta-da! But see, that button is pretty big, so it makes it pop out. But that's okay. Anyway, moving on. We have this page, which is little stacked envelopes. Right? So just a couple little envelopes that I made. Here's this one and this one. And each one has quotes. And this one has a... see a couple of quotes and then a just a piece of stationery, right? And then this one has just quotes in it, a couple of quotes in it. So there's those, and those get tied onto the page with this lace. And then on this page we have a decoupaged pocket, and in the pocket we have a couple of journaling cards, right? We've got I stenciled the page here and did a little bit of stamping. And here is this one. Ta-da! And here's this one. This one I just played with some watercolor. I don't know. Anyway, so there's those. This page. This is my lilac and lavender kit. And inside we have a couple of little cards. This one and this one. Ta-da! And then this is like a journaling page that you could take out like this. Ta-da! And it reveals a secret hidden place to journal. And this opens up and can be used for journaling. Ta-da! So there's that. And then this page is like a jelly plate. I did on a jelly plate, and this came from a botanical book page, and inside we have just a journaling card with some stenciling on the back, some of my dyed paper, and lots of journaling, right? Just lots of journaling space, different pages. I love this. I'm not exactly sure what that might, I don't know what kind of paper that is. Some German book page. I love. Isn't that gorgeous? This is like a Hallmark card. Right, some homemade paper. This came from a book illustration, one of those Reader's Digest. So we have a picture of a cat. I love him. He's sneaking in through the window. And just some text that came with that story or whatever. It talks about the kitten and stuff. And you open it up and just space to, journal or put whatever. Right, some poetry on the back of some pretty lavender fields. Right, this came from a botanical book page. Open it up. It reveals all of this area that you can write or put pictures or whatever. And that's all Medieval Mirage, right? Illuminated Flora is the kit. Here we have a vellum envelope. A vellum envelope. And inside the vellum envelope, we have a couple of these pretty purple stickers, right? And then this dyed graph paper, very pretty. And a piece of homemade paper to journal on. So there's that. Inside the pretty envelope. And then the belly band was made out of another piece of that mixed media paper, the mixed media page that I did, as well as this. And I made this into a journaling card. And then here is another journaling card. Yay! And this was done on I think this was just ink, and I was just playing with making some backgrounds. Some really pretty like silk pocket, right, with some decorative stitching and some vintage music paper, right, and then some dyed paper, right, the other side to that lavender fields, and lots of journaling, right, just lots of journaling space, different papers. Here is my favorite page. This is my favorite page, and it's just a pocket, right, and then with some pretty background, and I painted this one. I love it. I'm very proud of it. And I turned it just into like a notebook cover, just with lots of journaling, just a little blank notebook. That goes in that pocket like that. And here we have this page with this pretty little coin envelope I made out of rice paper. And inside is just this piece of homemade paper, right? That I stamped heart onto. So there's that. And then this one. This came from also a book illustration from one of those Reader's Digest books. And you just untie the string like this, and it opens like that, revealing a whole area to journal on. And then inside, there's a whole nother piece of paper for journaling. So there's that. And that's the end of that signature, right? And we have these little hanging tags hanging on these buttons, which I love. And then here's a botanical page with a little fabric cluster. And then on this page, we have just a pocket made out of index card. Just with some, I've used up some scraps and stuff. And we have this little journaling card with the bird and this little stamped piece. And this little journaling card with the butterfly, right? So there's that. Just some little pieces to go in there. And here's this pocket page. This is that vase piece we did in Miss P's group. There's the back of it. Here's just a piece of paper that was done. I think this was done doing playing with alcohol ink. Just playing with that. And then we have this piece, which I love. I just did a decorative stitch using that same kind of silk fabric. And I glued a piece of handmade paper on the back. And then here on this page, we have this little piece that opens up like this. This cute bird again. And then we have more journaling. This piece, I thought this was really cool. This customer order form thing. And I put them in with the carbon copy. I don't know, I just thought it was cool. And some ledger, just lots of journaling, right? Lots of journaling space. And a gnome, because you have to have a gnome on a frog. I thought that was cool. He's carrying purple flowers. I thought he would be a cool, just little surprise in the journal. And we have a waterfall, right? Flip up, made out of botanical book pages. And then this folds down like that for journaling, or it can fold up for journaling, revealing the pretty book page. Here's this page, this pretty lady. And I have a watercolor piece that I did, like a winter scene. And then just a journaling page, right, that I decorated. I put this botanical illustration that I colored and a pretty butterfly. So there's that page. Here we have an envelope. Oh, and everything out of it. So this is the stuff that goes in the envelope. We have this pretty journaling card. This piece of planner paper. And then my sister made this. This is like a tearaway notebook. So that goes in there like that. And then we have this page, which is just another piece of journaling paper, right? That I decorated. This is all Medieval Mirage Illuminated Fluoride Digital Kit. This one, however, is my lilac kit. Just a little notebook. And I stenciled all the little pages with like different stenciling. And then in the back we have this journaling card. And some like little watercolor die cuts and stuff. Ta-da! Here we have a little fabric cluster, right, with little different pieces, bits of fabric and stuff, and this pretty little die cut, and just a place to journal on. And then over here we have this pretty tag my sister made. Very pretty. I love it. And then a couple pieces of ephemera. And this cool pocket thing I think is like for putting a picture in. I don't know. But I put little bits of ephemera just so you know that there's a pocket there anyway. There we go. The big green butterfly. Over here we have this pocket flip. It's got this pretty tag that I stamped and watercolored on. It flips open to reveal this, right, which is a pocket that has a little coin envelope, right, that this goes into, which is just some journaling. Again, my sister made this. That goes in this little coin envelope, like that. Ta-da! With this decoupaged and colored in journaling card. We have this, isn't he so cute? This little flippy. And inside we have just some little cards and such, you know, just little bits. Little bits, right? And then just places to journal. And then if you flip it on this side, we have this pretty little coin envelope. Ta-da! And this goes in it. It's this pretty journaling card. And then lots more journaling. Lots and lots of journaling. The other side to those like order forms and stuff, which I thought was so fun. This like theater page. This flips open. Ta-da! You go right on it. This pocket that has, isn't this awesome? This is like vintage music paper or something of my favorite things. And here we have this journaling card backed with like homemade paper, botanic book page, and that's it. It's all done. I had so much fun making it. I think it's maybe my 4th purple journal. I went a little nuts. Again, look at it. She's quite the chunky girl. I love her. She's gorgeous. I've kind of fallen in love with her. So I hope she's loved. And so that is that. I had so much fun. I am so happy to see you guys and to talk to you guys. And it's been a while. I lost my voice. It's come back a little bit. So anyway, I will talk to you guys soon. I will see you later. Have a good day. Bye.